How to change fonts in Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can change the fonts within Shopify. It is very easy and very simple. All you have to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning to the end and you will be good to go. The first step that you need to do is to go to shopify.com, sign into your account, and then we are going simply to visit the online store and the sales channels. Then simply we are going to select the theme that we are going to, which is the current theme. Click on customize, and here we are going to wait for the theme editor to load up everything. Then simply we are going right here, which has the gear icon theme settings. Click on it, and we are going to search for the typography. Click on it, and here we have the fonts. We have the heading, we have the body fonts, and also we have a lot of options. Now, for the heading, we have here the heading. You can go ahead and change the font by clicking on change. And here we have all the fonts that are available. You have a list of all the fonts that are available on the database of Shopify. You can add some fonts. It is very easy also, and you can go ahead and select any fonts. Click on select also, and it will be loading up everything. Here we are going to see what type of font that we are going to get to the body. Here we have the Quattrocento Sans. I'm going to change this to Abril Fat Face. Click on here, click on select, and everything will be changed. Here we have the same characters for this one. You can go ahead and increase the font size scale for the body and the heading. Click on save and everything will be saved. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the content and see you on the next one.